Thank you, Sir Terry and Dan, for joining this Zoom meeting despite the very short notice. As I said, sir, I'm in Istanbul now. Just wanted to share with you the exact documents which were exchanged and signed.
I'm taking this call from Tel Aviv. I was recently in Istanbul for an ADB-supported OECD Critical Minerals Forum. So from Istanbul, tuloy po tayo dito sa Tel Aviv. From here, tonight I'll be proceeding to Abu Dhabi, then Dubai, then back to Manila. But I'm most thankful for Dr. Fita and Dr. JP joining us to have a short conversation on the Pax Silica engagement of the Philippines, what is being termed as the 4,000-acre first ever AI native industrial acceleration hub. Medyo mahaba lang, pero that's the full term of what we would like to establish in New Clark City. I think the best way to assuage the fears of our countrymen is to really post exactly what we signed, what we offered, what they accepted, so that the general public can see and then they can make their judgment and assessment.
I think maganda rin na maposition natin yung own mga ano natin, mga talent. Kasi dito sa eCare, Yusek Terry, eCare is Education Center for AI Research. Pwede talaga tayo na makapag-attract ng mga ganitong klase ng investments kasi right now, I think yung ecosystem naman, while of course fragmented pa siya, but I think yun yung direction natin as we strengthen para nakahanda tayo in the future na darating yung mga ganitong klase ng mga companies, pwede talagang andun yung mga data scientists na ire-require nitong mga ganitong companies. And halo-halo na yung mga nasa team eh. May data engineers, may mga cybersecurity experts, apart from mga data scientists.
Yusek Fita, you brought a very important point kasi critical nga dito, number one, yung to make sure that we have the absorptive capacity in the Philippine ecosystem. And when you talk about absorptive capacity, it's not really just infrastructure, but most importantly, because our main value proposition for the country has always been our young and talented Filipino professionals.
Yeah.
So the DepEd program on eCare, very important. And then si DOST naglabas din, Yusek Fita, di ba, ng National AI Strategy natin.
Mhm.
So that's also critical.
Apart from UP, AIM, Mapua, Ateneo, marami na ring universities na nag-o-offer ng data science. And may PhD both in UP as well as in AIM. So talagang pinaghahandaan natin itong ganitong future, Yusek Perry. While of course hindi ko pa naman naririnig ng buo, pero I'm looking at the opportunities talaga dyan sa Pax Silica na dapat talaga kasama Pilipinas dyan.